Let's install the Galigeo Location Analytics dashboard. First of all, let's start the dashboards. Then we'll have to wait until all the icons from the menu are becoming colorful. Then we'll know that the dashboards were fully loaded. As this happens, let's click on a blank model. Then let's go to File and let's click on Manage Add-ons. Then let's click on Install Add-on and we'll choose the file that we want to install and then click on Open. We'll click on Close and then we'll choose Exit without saving. That was it. Easy, right?